everybody, today we're going over the jab saw from Savage. It's something new from the new Savage line by Swanson. Basically it comes with the actual tool and an extra blade. Inside here you can fit the extra blade, it goes right in there for metal. The tool itself, it's kind of like a 2-in-1 tool. You have your utility blade on this end, and then you'll just press this release right here. You have your reciprocating saw-like end. To change the blade, simple. You just twist. Go ahead and put it in the slot there. And then screw it back on. So kind of cool, something good to have on your tool belt at all times. You know, you never know when you have to go in through some drywall, whatnot. The blade that it comes with is pretty good. Cut through a little bit of wood here. So as you can see, cuts through wood. Eric left his drill here, so we're gonna see how it cuts through Eric's drill. Okay, it would probably cut through it, but it'll take forever. So I'm gonna go get a tool that will cut through this. So hold. Tears right through it. So there's Eric's drill. I'll be sure to give it back to him. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Go to toolsinaction.com and Twitter and Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe. We really need you to subscribe.